Hey, how y'all doing? This is Kellen with ZuLand. Boerboel just coming with this video, piggybacking on what I was talking about, what to expect from your male dog when your female dog is in heat. The look I was talking about is when I say your male turn crazy, it's not so much he crazy, it's just he have a lost look in his face. But this is what I was talking about. It's Nova. Hey, that's pretty good. Now watch what he does immediately when he get out. See how he answers. Normally Zeus is real cool. He real calm, he laid back. Watch this though. He gonna go straight to her. See? See, that's the only thing on his mouth. But this is what I was talking about. So you finna mark his territory. I don't know if y'all seen that his back leg is shaking. He anxious. Now when she get through peeing, he gonna pee in the same spot. See, look at his back leg. Side's quivering. Now watch his head start jumping. This is what I was saying when I say the early signs of when I know she about to go in heat. That's what I was talking about when I said. And as you can see, his head was jumping. When I was talking about that, that's what I was saying about. You can see the early signs before she starts showing and swelling. That's how I know she's about to go in heat, because when he sniffles, his head starts jumping. Now, when she's actually in heat, this actually my first time seeing it a couple days ago, where his back leg started jumping. But that's that's all telltale signs, But anyway, this is Kellen with ZuLand Boerboel. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe.